Family emergencies can happen without warning, and when they involve loved ones living in another country, every day matters. If you already have a visa application in progress, waiting through the normal processing time may mean missing the opportunity to be with your family during a critical moment. In situations like these, a well-written visa emergency request letter can help explain your circumstances clearly, professionally, and respectfully. It gives the embassy or consulate the information they need to determine whether your application qualifies for expedited processing. A visa emergency request letter is a formal letter sent to an embassy or consulate requesting faster processing of a visa application because of urgent and exceptional circumstances, such as a serious illness, the death of a family member, or another genuine emergency. The letter should explain the situation, reference your existing visa application, mention the supporting documents you are providing, and respectfully ask for expedited consideration. Today, we're going to break down a professional visa emergency request letter step by step so you understand exactly how to write one. Sender information. At the very top of the letter, we have the sender's full name, home address, email address, and phone number. This section identifies the applicant and provides the embassy with accurate contact information in case they need to request additional documents or communicate about the application. Always make sure your contact details are complete and up to date. Date. Below the sender's information, we have the date, July 13th, 2026. Never skip the date when writing an official request letter. The date establishes when the request was made and helps the embassy keep accurate records of your correspondence. It is an essential part of every formal letter. Recipient information. Next, the letter is addressed to Consular Officer, Embassy of Canada, Washington, D.C. 20008. This section identifies exactly who should receive the request. Addressing the correct office makes your letter more professional and helps ensure it reaches the appropriate department responsible for visa applications. Subject line. Next comes the subject. Request for expedited processing of visitor visa due to family emergency. A strong subject line immediately tells the reader why you are writing. Instead of making the officer search through the letter to understand your request, the subject clearly summarizes the purpose in one sentence. Salutation. Then we have the greeting, Dear Consular Officer. This is a formal and respectful salutation that is appropriate when you do not know the name of the specific officer reviewing your request. Always include a professional greeting because it sets the proper tone for the rest of the letter. Opening paragraph and purpose of the letter. Now let's move into the first paragraph. The opening paragraph should immediately explain why you are writing. Since this is an emergency request, it is important to be clear from the very beginning. The paragraph says, I am writing to respectfully request expedited processing of my visitor visa application due to an urgent family emergency that requires my immediate travel to Canada. This opening is effective because it is direct, respectful, and immediately communicates the purpose of the letter. There is no unnecessary background information before the main request. Explanation of the emergency. Next comes one of the most important sections of the letter. Here, the applicant explains the emergency in enough detail for the embassy to understand why expedited processing is being requested. The explanation should be factual and sincere without becoming overly emotional. The paragraph reads, On July 11th, 2026, I was informed that my grandmother, who resides in Toronto, Ontario, was hospitalized following a serious medical emergency. Her physicians have advised our family that her condition is critical, and my presence has been requested to provide emotional support and assist my relatives during this difficult time. This paragraph works well because it explains what happened, identifies the family member involved, describes the seriousness of the situation, and explains why the applicant needs to travel urgently. The information is specific and believable. Reference to the existing visa application. Now let's look at the next paragraph. Since the applicant has already submitted a visa application, this section reminds the embassy about it while respectfully requesting faster processing. The paragraph says, I submitted my visitor visa application on July 5th, 2026, and understand that applications are processed according to standard procedures. However, given these unforeseen and exceptional circumstances, I respectfully request that my application be considered for expedited processing if possible. Notice that the applicant first acknowledges the embassy's normal procedures before making the request. This shows respect for the process while explaining why an exception is being requested. Supporting documents. The next paragraph explains the evidence being provided. When requesting expedited processing, it is not enough to simply describe the emergency. You should also provide documents that support your request whenever possible. The paragraph reads, "To support my request, I have enclosed copies of my visa application receipt, my grandmother's medical documentation, a letter from my family confirming the emergency, and my proposed travel itinerary. I am prepared to provide any additional documents or information that may assist in evaluating my request." This is an excellent paragraph because it shows that the applicant has prepared supporting evidence. Including documentation helps make the request more credible and allows the embassy to review the situation more efficiently. Respect for immigration procedures. Next, the applicant reassures the embassy that they understand and respect the visa process. This section is important because it demonstrates professionalism and cooperation. The paragraph says, "I fully understand and respect the procedures governing visa applications and sincerely appreciate your consideration of my circumstances. If my request for expedited processing can be accommodated, it would allow me to be with my family during this critical time while continuing to comply with all applicable immigration requirements." This paragraph leaves a positive impression because it balances the urgency of the request with respect for the embassy's responsibilities. It shows that the applicant understands expedited processing is not guaranteed. Closing paragraph. Finally, we have the closing paragraph. This section thanks the consular officer for reviewing the request and expresses appreciation for their time and consideration. The paragraph reads, "Thank you for your time, understanding, and consideration. I greatly appreciate your attention to this request and look forward to your response." A simple and respectful closing like this is appropriate because it ends the letter professionally without sounding demanding. Then the letter ends with, "Sincerely, Isabella Turner." This is the standard professional closing used in formal correspondence. Before we finish, here are a few important reminders. Only request expedited visa processing when there is a genuine emergency. Immigration officers carefully review these requests, and unsupported or exaggerated claims can reduce your credibility. Always be honest about your circumstances, provide accurate dates, and include supporting documents such as medical records, letters from family members, hospital documentation, or other evidence whenever available. A clear explanation supported by reliable documentation is far more effective than emotional language alone. Also, keep your letter professional, respectful, and concise. Focus on explaining the emergency, referencing your visa application, listing the documents you have attached, and making a polite request for expedited consideration. Avoid making demands or criticizing normal processing times. Remember that the embassy has established procedures, and a respectful, well-organized letter gives your request the best possible chance of being considered. And that's how you write a professional visa emergency request letter step by step. If this video helped you, please like, comment, and subscribe to Writing Tutorials for more practical writing guides and sample documents. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.